Chris Garrett. I'm owner of Handlebar Barista. We're a small coffee business from Cardiff. Originally we started with one coffee trike, which was mobile, and obviously we found the best sales were with commuters. So we were outside Central Station in Cardiff on the trike. We've always tried to sort of stay around train stations, so it's great. It's our first sort of location, which is in one place. We don't have to pedal around, so yeah, we've got a lot more room. We can plug in to mains, which is really nice. And yeah, it's just nice to have a space that we can use and sort of make our own and get creative with it. We're hoping, as well as train passengers, to get the local community involved, use this big space we've got here. We can do like small events. We're going to be working with a local artist group to do sort of, so they can put their work up and have sort of small meetings here and stuff. You see too often, I think, in big train stations, with all the big chain cafes and stuff moving in straight away, but Transport Wales from the start with us have been really good in sort of looking first at the local businesses to fill the platforms, provide services. Starting off with a soft launch, so we're just doing takeaway. We've got the new hatch from the outside the station, and we've got this bar from the inside so people can come in. We're going to be doing coffee, cold drinks and snacks and fresh bakes in the mornings. Transport Wales have done loads of work in here to make it all really nice and new and renovated, so yeah, it's ready to go.